short video. I found an interesting teardown Easter egg, so I just want to show you guys. So go ahead, open sandbox. It's at 3 chemicals. Why Happy Apple? Anyway though, so you'll just hit spawn here. If you notice, here's the car crash area, but then here's a ditch here. So this is what you need. Sledge here. I see the
all engines respond.
Okay, I believe I have that. Oh, I see Mr. Skilly Boy. What is holding him back? Alright. And here we go. Yeah, so as far as I'm concerned, there isn't any lore behind this guy. I sure think there should, but my theory, this guy drove this right here. Oops. But that guy was driving that car. The person who made him go off-road buried him in a ditch. Yeah. That's my theory. I think this is supposed to be used or something while digging and stuff, but yeah, bye. Yeah, but this is kind of a cool ragdoll that you can play around with. And he's very hard to destroy. So, yeah, yeah. So, yeah. Well, that's the video, guys. I hope you like and subscribe. It really helps out a lot. And the goal is 50 subscribers, so yeah. And let's just put him back in his resting place. Psych, I lied. Somewhere over the